you can log in into your Gmail account on your PC. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's get started. So the first what you'll want to do is open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine, and after you do that, just hit Gmail. After you hit Gmail, hit enter and it'll pop up. Now tap on Gmail and now you'll have to log in. Now type in your email. Now after you type in your email, just hit enter and you'll have to type in your password. Now type in your correct password and after you do that, hit enter. So after you hit your password, you can just tap on not now and go through all the formalities, and there you go, you have logged in into your Gmail. Now you can read all of your mails from here, and that is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.